Hi, this is your dietitian Radha here. Again, I would like to speak about women's health, especially pregnancy. So, once pregnancy happens, your joy and everything, the whole world comes to, bright and prosperous once you become pregnant because you are giving birth to a new life and you're quite happy. So, once you deliver, that is postpartum care is very important. So generally with the diet you can take the help of dietitian, and with physio you can take the help with physiotherapist, Kegels exercise, and they will teach you when you need to start resume back to your exercise after how many weeks, and dietitian will tell you how to go about lactation diet with respect to breastfeeding. All these things are well and done, we all know. But it's something called baby blues, like you suddenly feel sadness, anxiety, mood swings, because if you are a second time mother, and you need to handle your first child and also the newborn, sleepless nights, so which will push you to the depression. This is what I am very concerned about. The postpartum care includes mental health too. Is something called baby blues will happen to each and every, almost 85% of the women will face baby blues because they don't know how to handle their sleep and how to take care of the family, bridging gaps. So what will happen, they end up in anxiety and chronic stress to come out. Some people will take 6 years, 7 years, but unless until you have a proper family support, some people will come out even within 6 months and resume back to the work too. Right now the maternity leave is almost like 6 months now, so you very calmly come back to the routine. There is nothing wrong in taking help with respect to your baby blues, because there are certain things which we can also help from AJC. When the baby is asleep, you try to sleep. This is what I usually say. And take power naps. That is very important. When a baby is sleeping any time of the day, you have to take a power nap. That is 1 hour 45 minutes. That will maintain that craving, that sleep deprivation craving will come to certain extent. It will be soothing for you. And try to take help from the domestic help. We take the help for sweeping, mopping and washing vessels, right? You can go one step ahead, cutting vegetables. If you cannot afford complete cooking to keep a maid for cooking, you can just go one step ahead and you can ask the maid to cut the vegetables and give it to you. That can be a small help. Draining clothes might be a small help. See, these small helps you can take, and you can distribute the work among your family members if they are ready to help you. That is also very important. So you can ask your husband, certain tasks. If you have already have a first child, so you can give certain tasks to be done by your husband. And if your family members, your in-laws, or you are staying for some time at your mom's place, then you can share certain responsibilities. And once you come back from your mom's place to the in-laws place, or if it's a nuclear with your husband, you can always sit and discuss and you can share the work. And you have the financial capability, then you can hire maids for all these work. It's okay, you're spending little more, but still that is gonna help you, right? So I always suggest that you take some maid's help, and such that for some time the baby can be be with the maid and under your supervision, and certain work at your utility area or in the kitchen, or certain things which you only will do, that can be for some time, can be given to some other person who can do for you. May not be perfect, but still that is okay. Right? So at least every day take 15 minutes of time what you enjoy to do, like just sipping a cup of coffee, sitting in your balcony, or just listening to something nice. Take some 15 minutes break every day. I'm talking about every day. If you keep doing that, you will not end up in these baby blues, that is anxiety, depression or sadness. And you will not feel that what is this, when it will end. So that sort of feeling will not happen. You feel that you are absolutely at normalcy and you can go ahead with the life. So any help if you would like to take from me, I am there to help you. I will tell you how to organize each and every aspect. Me myself, as a mother of 2 children, I can be an example for you all to explain how you manage from morning to night on daily basis. The same time, how you can maintain your health, how much pre-planning you can do, and how can you take the household help and also the family members and friends too, right? So I will tell you how to handle your postpartum care with respect to your diet and mental health, and also how you can take the physio help, right? So I am there to help you. Hope you're gonna connect with me. Yeah, right then. Bye bye.